Hello, everyone. Today's question is 9 divided by 3 in brackets, 9 minus, so 9 divided by 3, that becomes 3. In brackets, 9 minus 6, which is 3. Remove the brackets, multiply, so 3 times 3. Now, this is 9. This is the answer, but this is the wrong answer according to the BODMAS rule. First, let's repeat the question and write it. 9 divided by 3, 9 minus 6, according to the BODMAS rule. First, we'll solve the brackets as per the BODMAS rule. First, we'll solve the brackets. After that, for division and multiplication, since they have the same priority, we'll check from left to right. Then addition and subtraction. So in the brackets, 9 minus 6 becomes 3. Let's rewrite the next solution. 9 divided by 3, 9 minus 6 is 3. When we remove the brackets, we'll multiply, so it becomes 9 divided by 3 multiplied by 3. Now we'll check from left to right. First, we'll do the division, then the multiplication. 9 divided by 3, then times 3. 3 cancels out with 3, so 9 is the right answer.